Hello everyone. Today we are going to be replacing the rear wiper blade on a 2017 Ford Escape. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to lift up on this arm. It doesn't come up very far. And you just wedge your fingers in between this cover part here and the blade. And you're basically just going to pry the blade out. And it'll pop out. Just like that. And so there you can see how it looks and how it snaps in there. Here is the replacement that I got. It's Bosch A281H. I just ordered it off Amazon. On some of the newer Escapes, you are going to have to pop the blade out this way and then pry it out. I think that started in 2018. I don't know if some of the 2017s are like that too or not, but this one was not. To install this new blade, it has this adapter here. It's to put it on different models. So just pull it off. It can be kind of hard and it might feel like you're gonna break it, but it just comes off. You're not gonna break it. So now we can go ahead and install this. Now lift up on this arm and we're gonna find where that bar is that the old one was on. And it just clicks on there and you're done. So that is how you replace your wiper blade on a 2017 through 2019. I don't know if it's the same for the 2020s, but 2017 through 2019 for sure, Ford Escape.